What causes HVAC belts to wear out? Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning belts usually wear out because of age, incorrect tension, misaligned pulleys, dirt, heat, or problems with the motor and blower. A belt transfers the motor's spinning force to the blower, which moves air through the building. Every time the system runs, the belt bends around pulleys and experiences friction and tension. Over time, the rubber can become hard, cracked, shiny, or stretched. A belt that is too tight creates extra pressure on the motor and pulley bearings, while a belt that is too loose can slip and become hot. Misaligned pulleys are another major cause because they pull the belt sideways instead of letting it travel straight. Dust, oil, and moisture can make the belt slip or slowly damage its surface. An interesting detail is that a belt may look fine on the outside while its inner cords are already weak, so appearance alone does not always prove it is safe. Listen for squealing, smell for burning rubber, and watch for weak airflow, but switch off power before inspecting anything. A technician can check the belt size, alignment, tension, pulley condition, and motor bearings before replacing it. One common mistake is tightening a squealing belt too much, so have the tension checked instead of guessing. Another mistake is replacing only the belt when a worn pulley or failing bearing caused the damage, so inspect the connected parts at the same time. People also often use a belt that looks similar but has the wrong length or profile, so match the equipment label or manufacturer's specifications exactly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Here, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.